friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the EVGA GeForce RTX 3050 series graphics card. So friend, EVGA rollouts the GeForce RTX 3050 series graphics card, and friend, it comes equipped with second generation RT cores for ray tracing and third generation Tensor cores for DLSS and AI. And friend, the ray tracing is the new standard in gaming, and the RTX 3050 makes it more accessible than ever before. And friend, the cards punch above their weights with the latest Ampere GPU, 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, and 14 Hz memory clock to enable solid performance even at 1440p. And friend, the X series tradition continue with shorter PCB, dual slot cooling, and quiet 0 decibel fan mode, making the EVGA GeForce RTX 3050 a perfect choice for the entry level gaming users. And friend, it is designed for gamers ready for the next tier of performance. And friend, it is efficiently designed to be cool with two large fans and protected with an all metal backplate. And friend, it is carefully packaged into a short 2-slot card for maximum compatibility with all types of gaming cases. And friend, it features streamlined design, letting its performance to all talking. And friend, excellent in games and productivity with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. It is offers creators and gamers everything in a small package without the need for bulky cooler to ensure cool and smooth performance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.